Hi, in this video, I'll show you how anyone can update or even generate a complete admin dashboard using our pre-built prompts. What you're looking at right now is a SaaS dashboard that was entirely created using these prompts. No manual setup, no complex configuration. Let's walk through how you can do the same. First, we have our agents.md file. This is important. It defines the rules, structure, and guidelines for your AI agent. Basically, how it should think while updating pages and components. So the first step is to tell your AI agent to read this file. Next, head over to the prompts folder and open dashboard-master.prompts.md. Load this into your AI agent, just like I'm doing here. Once loaded, the agent will ask a few simple questions, like what type of dashboard you want to create, which KPIs you need, what icons to use, and whether you want tables. Go ahead and answer these prompts based on your needs. I'll fill them in quickly. Now here's where the magic happens. The agent analyzes your existing dashboard code, understands its structure, and then generates a completely new dashboard. And just like that, this entire dashboard is generated by the agent. Now you'll notice the agent quickly creating all the necessary files, components, layouts, and configurations. Everything gets set up automatically in just a few seconds. No manual wiring, no repetitive setup. It's all handled for you. Once the files are ready, we can jump straight into the preview. Now, let's take a look at how it turned out. Now we are previewing the SaaS dashboard generated entirely by our agent. And all of this has been done using our pre-built prompts. No manual coding, just structured prompts driving the entire dashboard creation. Now let's give the dashboard a fresh visual identity by updating its theme colors using our pre-built prompts. Inside the prompts/theming folder, you will find a ready-to-use theming prompt designed specifically for this. Go ahead and run that file just like I'm doing here. Once executed, it will guide you through a quick setup by asking which colors you want to use for your primary and secondary palette. For this example, I'm setting the primary color to violet 500 while keeping the secondary color unchanged to maintain balance. With that done, the dashboard instantly adopts the new styling, subtle but noticeable. Let's take a look at how the updated theme transforms the overall feel of the interface. And that's how you can build and customize a complete SaaS dashboard using our pre-built prompts. The core structure and rules are already handled in agents.md by us, so you don't need to touch them. Instead, you can use the prompts to easily update things like your logo, add new languages, tweak UI elements, or extend the dashboard without diving into complex code. If you want to explore more or start building your own dashboards, check out ShadcnSpace and see what you can create. See you in the next one.